guys, welcome to another episode of Thrifty Shopping Cart, and I want to show you what I got at Salvation Army store for this weekend. Salvation Army store, and I went to two mom and pop thrift stores. So the outfit you're seeing on me right now, I bought this 2 weeks ago at Savers for $5. So I was really happy when I found this dress. So there are some good, like if you're someone who's on a budget, you could sell on eBay to make money to pay your bills, and you could also shop for yourself at these thrift stores. A lot of times I forget about myself, but this was the first time I actually found a cute little dress that I really like. So it's really cute, so really happy with it. Okay, so that being said, I am going to show you guys some of the items I found this weekend at the Salvation Army store. And this weekend they had pink tags for 50% off. And there were some blouses that were not 50% off. But I did get a really good selection of some clothes to sell on eBay. So I'm just going to pick them out. So this one, I got this long sleeve workout shirt. It's kind of like a polyester material, Adidas. This was at a local mom and pop thrift store. And I bought this one for 99 cents. They had all the clothes for 99 cents. And I try to, even though it's long sleeve, you know, in the springtime, it gets a little cold. So I try to pick out really nice blue colors. You guys could see it. So that's what it looks like. Something like this, I'm probably going to list it for maybe like $12 or $13 and offer shipping. So I have that one. And I'm just going to put them in the basket here. The next one I found, I really like this one. Now this was not 50% off, it was already 99 cents. So I picked out this nice gray shirt, so it's Ponies Forever. There is a huge people who are pony lovers, so I thought this was really cute. I don't know how much I'm going to put this for, probably a fair price, I would say with $19.95 and offer free shipping. So that's that. So now, the fun part is showing you guys what I found, and then I have to list them. I got this one at a mom and pop thrift store. This thrift store in particular is kind of like a walk-in eBay store. Everything is by bid, and some stuff is just buy it now. So this was a cute little top, and I never heard of this brand. It's called Bejewel. So it has a cute little cardinal birds, and they're like this tangerine and magenta color. And on the back, it has a really nice tangerine zip. So it goes all in the back. This is really, really cute for spring and, you know, going to the beach or summer, or even someone who's going to a concert. So this one, I bought it $4. So I might list it maybe $15 and charge for shipping. Now, I scored. I really think, because I went to the same thrift store last week. This one was $5, but it's the liqueur brand. This particular shirt on eBay is going for about $25 to $30 used. So I really like this pattern. It's more of a tribal print pattern. So last week I was able to find, if you guys watched my video before this one, last week I was able to find some leggings by liqueur. So I don't know if it's coming from the same person, but this size is an extra small. It does look like a large or a medium, but I am going to put this one, I paid $5 for it, I'm going to put it at $22 and offer free shipping. So I think there's a small, actually no, yep, really, really cute. I really like this tribal print top. It's really cute. Really nice color for the summer too. Okay. Next one I picked up, this was Ann Taylor Loft. It's a black and gray leopard print. That's what it looks like. Here's what it looks like on the back. I picked this one up at the mom and pop thrift store. This one, I paid 99 cents for it. It does have some pleating on it. I don't know if you guys could see it. So I think I'm going to put this for like $11 and charge shipping. I think that would be a fair price for it. I scored on this one, guys. Check this out. This one was $5 worth the price, j.crew. Especially with spring coming up and Easter. This is a really nice blouse. And it's a size 6, which is considered small. So this was already in my cart, and I had a stranger that came up to me. She just pulled it out of my cart, and she goes, "Oh, it's really nice. I had a party I was going to. I would really buy it for you." I felt kind of odd, like doing a sale like inside the store, so I kindly declined her offer. But I offered her $20, and she immediately took it. So that makes me think I would have put this for $25, like highest, and offer free shipping. I will take a best offer. So if she was going to pay $20, that means it's worth the price. So it's really, really nice. It's lace, it's pink. I just felt kind of strange taking money for someone to buy. There's cameras in that store, and I was, I'm not trying to get banned from Salvation Army store, so I, declined, and I told her no. But that was the first time that happened to me. It felt kind of weird. She really wanted that top. Next one I found, this was $3.99. It was half off, so $4. So I paid $2.50 for it. And the brand is called Will Smith. So it's really, really cute. So it's a keyhole in the front, and it drapes across, and it has like the satin felt underneath, like cami top. So I have to wash this one because look, it has some deodorant residue. That's just some stuff that you run into some thrift stores. Not all the time. I mean, I never had this. I think only maybe 2 times in 4 years I bought something at a thrift store that I had to wash it because it had like deodorant or like an unknown stain that I didn't know what it was. Next one I picked up, again, this is coming from Liqueur, and this particular shirt is going for $30. I paid $4 for it. I really like this top, so I don't know, I might keep this to myself. It's really soft, and it just feels good. So I think I might keep this top for myself. I think I'm going to wash it, and I don't think I'm going to sell it. Blue is my favorite color, as I take a sip of water here. Next item I found, this was a cute little cami top. It's called Skies Are Blue. I'd never heard of this brand. There's so many brands out there, guys. So what had happened was, and I have to put this in my description, when I bought the top yesterday, these 2 straps were kind of like sewn together. So one was like undone. So what I did is I took it out. So I'm just going to have to let them know that the tied string came undone. So it's a spaghetti strap dress. It's about 4 strings. More of like a bohemian style cami tank top. I think it's really, really cute. The colors are nice. It's like blue and tangerine. Let's see, black. It has like this cute little pattern. So I thought that was a really, really nice top. So this was $3.99. So I paid $2.50 for it. Something like this, I'm probably going to list at $18 and offer free shipping. Next one I got, I never heard of this brand before. This is called the Tick Gear. T-E-K Gear. That's what I had. I only paid 99 cents for this. I really like this top because of the color. And if you're working out, you could definitely put, you could use your finger. So if you have your iPod or your cell phone, so you could use that one. So brand new for this top on eBay was going for $20. So I bought 99 cents. I think I'm going to list mine, because it's used, it has a little bit of pleated on it. I think I'm going to list mine for $18 plus free shipping. I think that's a fair price for it. So I just a little hint for you guys, if you're looking for like clothes to buy, now a lot of the stores are going to have winter tops, winter coats. They're all going to be like 50-75% off. So if you're going to get like long sleeve tops and stuff like that, try to get like spring colors, because people will wear long sleeves all the way up to like, I think the last week in May, because sometimes it gets a little cold. I live in like New England area, so Boston area, so we tend to run our spring a little bit longer. It's still snowing in March where I am, so that's just to give you guys this. It really depends on your region. Like right now, I would mostly stick on spring colors if you're looking for things to do a quick turnaround. This one, I really like this one. This was a cute little blouse. It's by Ann Taylor Loft. It's an extra small, so it's a teal color, black polka dots. Here's the front of the blouse. And then on the back, it has more of like that shirt style feeling, which is really good. It's stretchable. 2 pockets in the front. I bought this at the that Bidden store, mom local thrift store. So it was $4. I am going to list this probably $22 and put free shipping. I think it'll be a fair price for it. Oh, I don't know if you guys are ready for this one. I really, really love this top. Look at this, guys. Chic. So it's basically a crop top, and the brand is The Classic. I'd never heard of it before. So I bought this again at that Mama thrift store where it's like a walk-in eBay store. I paid I paid $4 for this. So something like this, because of the pattern, the style, I'm going to list it really high. I am going to put it for $25, and I'm going to put free shipping and put best offer. See somebody would. Because sometimes when you find cute things, you want to list it high, especially if you know not a lot of people are going to have it and get the best offer. The last, yep, I got one more to show you guys. So this one was 50% off. This is a black and white house. That's a really good brand to sell on eBay. This store does run a little pricey, and I bought it $4.99, but it was 50% off, so I paid $2.50 for it. It's a cute little Cami top. It's lace. It's a teal, nice little spring color. The size is extra small. I always find extra small tops. I don't know if this came from the same person, because I went there last weekend and this weekend. I found a lot of cute tops, but they're all extra small. Next one I picked out, this is for my Pinterest account. This is a really brand new Rampage boot. It hasn't even been used. It still has like the stuffing inside the boot, so it hasn't been taken out. I brought this just so I could take pictures on Pinterest when I do like my lay flats. If you guys, is basically my thrift haul I had for you guys this week. So what I was saying before was I bought this boot at the Salvation Army store, Rampage, brand new. It still has like the tissue papers inside the boots. This was 50% off. They had it for $4. I ended up paying $2.50 for it. So I'm not going to sell on eBay. I'm going to use it more for like a decor when I take my flat lays on Pinterest. So I just signed up for Pinterest about 3 weeks ago. I have a few people that have looked at some of my items, but no sales yet. So I'm hoping that, you know, buying cute little like boots and sometimes some accessories will help better market the item that I'm trying to resell. So if you guys love this video and you found it informative with the brands and stuff that I'm showing you guys what I'm going to be selling on my eBay store, please give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for taking your time of the day to watch my video. Bye-bye.